Hello, Professor. My name is Hajara Ferdous, and today I'm working on creating a book application page using node.js, and where I can adding a book, creating, deleting, or updating. So let's go to my assignment. So this is my home page. My professor already created, and this is my book list page. So as you can see here, this is the title, price, author, genre. I have it in delete button. Also, I have add button here. So if I want to add a book here, I just click the name, then price 55. Author, I think me. Then if I put something like this and click the submit button, so it's headed here. Now, if I want to edit this one, I just remove one letter from my name. I just remove this one, and when I click the submit, look, it's edited. Now, if I want to delete this book, I just click the delete button, and it's deleted from the book list page. So all this title and price, author, gender information, it goes to MongoDB, and MongoDB says this information for the next user. So this is the database. When I click the browse collections, and this is my book TV, and inside this book I have a book collection, and inside this book collection I have a document. So all of this information came from my application, and MongoDB saved this information here. Look, description, author, genre, price, title, whatever I put here in my application, it's same as the save is here. So where I connect my application to MongoDB, and for this I am click the database, connect to your application, and using this this link, it's automatically connect to my application to MongoDB. So here I'm putting my username, then password, then MongoDB I mean booksDB. And so this link is working like as a connection to my application to MongoDB. So let's go to my coding here, and here as you can see, this is the link. So here I putting my name, my password, and my bookDB here. So this is automatically connected with the MongoDB. So now I'm going to the app.js file, and inside you can see here is the express, and all of this time same DB URL, and this link is this okay, then it's working nicely, otherwise it's gonna show some error. Then I have two routers, /index. So when I type index /index, it's going to show us the home page, /book shows the book list page. All of this stuff is same. If there is any error, it's going to call this error function and shows 404 error. So all this stuff is same. Now I'm going to my models, and inside this model I have a book.js file, and this is the Mongo's model I created here. Mongo's.schema with title, description, price, author, genre. Then my collection name books, I exactly same name put in the MongoDB, and exactly this is I kept it here as same as MongoDB's title, description, price. Otherwise it's gonna show us error. Then I have a routes folder. Inside this routes folder I have a book.js file. And this file I already have express Mongos, and router.cat / next find also books, this Mongo. So in Mongos I'm finding all of the books. If there is any error, it's gonna show us error shows error message. Otherwise it's rendering all books. So title books, and books is equal to books, it's like as a variable. I'm sending other files like as a variable. Then router.cat /add, when I'm typing add, it's gonna show us an empty page, because I don't sending or putting something, I'm not sending anything here. And then router.post, this post method means I already got some information, and I'm post it the other anywhere. So when I'm typing /add, so here I am creating an object named new item. Then I am sending this object in Mongo's. If there is any error, shows error. Otherwise, it's worked nicely. So this object I am sending in Mongo's. Then I have an ID, and using this ID as a parameter, books.find by ID. So in Mongo's, I am finding using this ID. Is there any error? It's okay. Otherwise, it's gonna sending the books item to edit this books item to edit nicely. And then I have a post method also, and this post method also I am updating my document. So here I'm updating objects. I created this object for updated, and in Mongo's I'm updating this object I'm sending here with using ID and stuff. Then I have a remove method also, so books.remove. So using this ID, I'm sending this ID as a parameter, and using this ID, MongoDB remove this stuff from his field. So that's basically all of this stuff here. Then index.ejs, And in this file, I have a add button, I have a table, and inside this I have a row, title, price, author, and genre. And here I'm putting a for loop, and it start with 0. So books of 0, the title 0 position, it's gonna show us title, then price 1 position, price, author, and genre. Then this is the design edit button, delete button, and here I am putting the partial part because I don't need to adding header and footer part again and again. So I just put it in the partial part and copy the link and paste it here. So that's basically all of the information about BookList application, Professor. Thank you.